Ano ang next possible move ni Bitcoin sa immediate short term? Yung parallel channel natin, nauntog tayo dun sa tuktok. And we told you also, balikan ko lang to, na yung parallel channels, most of the time, it breaks to the downside. Parallel channel na pataas, yung wedge, rising wedge. So, nasa ng immediate support ni Bitcoin? I would say somewhere here, sa 91,054, yung previous low niya, magbabounce po yan dyan. Kung aabot dyan, magbabounce po yan. Ngayon, tinignan na natin because area po yan eh. Hindi po yan exact price. That's an area. So, possible area na kung saan siya magbabounce, eto po, ginuhitan ko na. Okay, using the 4-hour chart, this area is the previous resistance. Binasag natin, nag-support tayo, binasag ulit natin, and then we tested again, another support, tumalbog ulit. So, most likely, dito sa area na to. But, you know, yung support areas, habang tinutuldukan yan, humihina yan. The more times na tinatamaan, pang ilang tama na to? 1, 2, 3, kung sakasakali, pang-4, humihina. So, there's another chance na basagin, pababa. Okay? I think, pag binasag yan pababa, kukuha yan ng liquidity. Pero, paakyat na. Yan yung sinasabi natin na short squeeze. There's a possibility na lulubog yan, maybe somewhere below 90, psychological support na 90, babasagin ng konti, marami na namang magpapanik or maraming mag-short. When there's enough short position to liquidate, there is a possibility na basagin natin itong trend line. Baba dyan. Okay, biglang uy, wala na dito, wala na, bear market na ba? Boom, pasag ka sa trend line. Ako po, personally, I'm still seeing Bitcoin to go back to 100, at least 100K level. The question is, what are you going to do pag bumalik yan dyan? I don't know to you. What are you going to do pag bumalik yan dyan? Are you still holding? Are you still doing your regular DCA? Are you taking some profits? Or you just do nothing? It's up to you. Ang nakikita natin, mga scenarios, pwedeng bumalik, pwedeng hindi. Pero pag bumalik dyan, what are you going to do? Katulad po nung sinare ko sa inyo kanina, yung Ondo trade, malinaw yung plano natin eh. Pag bumalik siya sa 618, I'm going to sell. Nag-set tayo ng alert. Nung umabot po doon, wala nang tanong-tanong, no questions asked. Ibenta na ba ako? Baka umakyat pa. Doon na didisgrasya karamihan ng mga traders eh. Nagplano na, tapos pag nandyan na, yung plano, kailangan na i-execute, magdududa dun sa plano nila. And then, we'll end up losing doon sa baba makakapagbenta. Magpapanik sell. Okay? We've been there and done that.